Americans are gaining weight, and obesity has become a national health threat. We can't place the problem purely on self-control. Why has obesity become such a weighty issue? Of course, it is not simply a matter of addition and subtraction, and some people gain weight more readily than others. Several factors come into play. Why are we packing on the pounds? We do not get enough physical activity. Safe walking or biking routes may be limited, so we rely on our cars, even for short trips. Recreation centers and parks may not be easily accessible. We have become a nation of couch potatoes. We spend too much time in front of a screen, a lot of time watching TV or in front of the computer, and this is especially true for children. Children between the ages of 8 and 18 years spend 7 hours in front of a screen. Foods higher in sugar, salt, and fat are widely marketed and advertised. It often costs more to eat healthy. Some people, especially those in lower income, minority, and rural areas, do not have ready access to stores that sell healthy, affordable foods, e.g., vegetables and fruit. Breastfeeding is stopped too soon. Breastfeeding protects children from becoming obese. However, although 75% of mothers do breastfeed, just 13% of infants rely on breast milk alone after 6 months. Scientists believe that a combination of certain genes and behavior may be needed to trigger obesity. A person's genetic makeup may make him or her susceptible to obesity, but other factors are required to complete the picture. Diseases. Certain disorders, Cushing's disease and hypothyroidism, for example, can cause a person to gain weight. This then means that not all of us are metabolically the same. Therefore, we have selected the best weight loss program for you.
Cinderella Solution is a weight loss plan designed for every woman, and it comes with more benefits than you can imagine. With Cinderella Solution, you don't have to starve or go through hard exercises just so you can lose weight. Simply eat healthier meals, perform some simple workouts, and you're good to go. You can lose weight even after you go past puberty. What you need is right here at www.cinderellasolutions.info. Every woman is special, and that is why Cinderella Solution is geared towards women specifically. With the use of self-explanatory illustrations and clear languages, Cinderella Solution can be used by anyone, as it is easy to understand. And if you ever have any dissatisfaction using Cinderella Solution, you can get a refund with our solid 60-day money-back guarantee. For more information, visit www.cinderellasolutions.info. You can also check out our website link in the video description below. Cinderella Solution, the solution that works.
Click the link below to get the best diet program currently available.